Hey everybody, it's Hunter, your personal mechanic here. Today we have a BMW X5 40i in the shop. Came in for a drivetrain malfunction. Ran a few scans, found line disconnection, starter motor, actuation 50L/B positive. Tested all the wiring and whatnot. Turns out it was a C starter. So I thought I'd show you guys how to replace it because it's a pretty common occurrence. Let's go here first. Since we're dealing with a cable, always disconnect the negative. Now let's go underneath. Alright, we got the car lifted up. So now what we're going to do, take off the stiffening plate and the transmission under panel. Now that we got those plates off, we're going to take off this connector. Again, make sure that negative cable is disconnected. Take off this, it's a 13mm nut. Then drop this little plastic panel right here. Got a few plastic clips that holds it in. Let's do that. So here we are going out with the old and with the new. One thing to keep in mind, take this rubber bushing and plant it right over there. Now let's put her in. Alright, so we just started up, sort of the first time. Me and him did a good job. So I just want to thank you for stopping by again, and as always, like, subscribe, comment. Again, I really want to start this channel off, see what you guys want to see, what you want to learn. Now you dress it.